This is Google Pixel 7a, and today I will show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So firstly, you gotta open any search engine that you prefer using. I recommend that you go with Google since that's the choice, or well, the search engine that I always use. Then input the Fortnite APK query at the search bar. Onwards, go for either Fortnite.com or epicgames.com official websites. Once one of the two aforementioned web pages gets loaded, confirm the file download by tapping at the Download Anyway option. Then open the file upon downloading it. Grant to Google Chrome or any other browser you've used the install unknown apps permission. Then confirm the Epic Games Store installation. Open it. Onwards, open the Fortnite page over here and tap at the install button. As you can clearly see, once the Fortnite was downloaded, you can prior to installing it, it is required that you grant Epic Games Store with the same permission we granted the Google Chrome with, that is, allow from this source or install unknown apps. Anyway, turn on the toggle, finalize the Fortnite installation, which will take way less time than the download did. Then open the app, and now simply wait until the game will download all remaining resources, updates, and other necessary files that are left. And once this process is finished, you will be finally able to start playing the game already. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.